Example 4. Determine whether the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Let's look at example A. For A, we have here f of x is equal to negative 3x plus 6, and then we have g of x is equal to 3x plus 5. Let's take a look at the first equation, f of x. What is our slope? It is negative 3. And then our second equation, g of x, its slope is 3. So what type of line do we have? Because remember, for our lines to be parallel, our slopes have to be the same. For perpendicular, it has to be negative reciprocals of each other. And we don't see that here, so we would say neither. Letter B, example 4B. We have here f of x is equal to 5x minus 6, and g of x is equal to 5x plus 2. Let's look at the slope for each function, each equation. Our f of x equation is, our slope is 5. Our g of x, our equation is 5. The slopes are the same, therefore we have parallel lines. And C, we have our first equation, 2x minus y is equal to negative 10. Our second equation, 2x plus 4y is equal to 2. So what we're going to have to do is first find the slope for each equation, and we're going to have to convert each equation in slope-intercept form. So we need to solve for y. So our first equation, we're going to subtract 2x to both sides. We have negative y is equal to negative 2x minus 10. Divide by negative 1. We have y is equal to 2x plus 10. So our slope here is 2. Our second equation, we have 2x plus 4y is equal to 2. Let's solve for y. Let's subtract 2x to both sides. We have 4y is equal to negative 2x plus 2. Divide by 4. We have y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 1/2. So our slope here is negative 1 over 2. Comparing slopes, the slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. Therefore, we have perpendicular lines. Example 5, it says, find the slope of a line parallel to the following line. We have f of x is equal to 2x plus 2. So let's find the slope of our f of x is equal to 2x plus 2. Our slope is 2. So if we created another line, what would be its slope? Its slope would be 2. Example B, find the slope of a line perpendicular to the following line. We have f of x is equal to 2x plus 6. Our slope here is 2. We're looking for a perpendicular slope. Therefore, we will first negate the 2. We have negative. Then take the reciprocal of 2, which is 1 over 2. Negative 1 over half. Negative 1 over 2, which is negative 1/2. Letter C. Find the slope of a line parallel to the line 7x minus 2y is equal to 6. So we have here an equation where we want to find the parallel slope. So we're going to take the 7x minus 2y equals to 6 and solve for y. So we're going to subtract 7x to both sides. Negative 2y is equal to negative 7x plus 6. Divide by negative 2. Our equation is y is equal to 7 over 2x minus 3. So its slope here is 7 over 2. And because we're looking for a parallel slope, we're going to have the same slope, 7 over 2. And last example, find the slope of a line perpendicular to the line 5x minus 3y equals to 6. So let's solve for y. Subtract 5x to both sides. We have negative 3y is equal to negative 5x plus 6. Divide by negative 3. We have y is equal to positive 5 over 3x minus 2. So our slope for this equation is 5 over 3. We're looking for the perpendicular slope. So we're going to negate 5 over 3, which is negative, and then take the reciprocal. We have 3/5. And that is our solution.